So what's up guys, Anurag here, back after a long time, and you guys know that I've been using the Galaxy S8 for a long time now, and over a period of time phones get slower. So I was like, let's see if there's any custom ROM available for my phone, and luckily Lineage OS, a very popular ROM, was available with their latest and greatest build, that is Lineage OS 16, based on the latest version of Android, that is Android 9 Pie. So I flashed it and have been using it for almost a month now, and to be frank, I'm pretty impressed so far. So as this is a stock based ROM, there are no bells and whistles, but there are some little nifty features that really add up to the user experience. Now, even though the build that I'm using right now is an unofficial build, everything seems to run absolutely fine and there are no errors or breakdowns whatsoever. Hats off to the developer of the ROM. Diving back into the ROM itself, as I said, it's a pretty stock experience with no bloatware at all, which results into more storage space availability as well as better performance. Now, talking about the performance, at this point or this build of the ROM that I'm using right now, the hardware composer is not working, which means that there's more load on the CPU of the phone, which is instead supposed to be shared with the GPU to get better results. So gaming right now on this ROM is very inconsistent, but navigating through the UI is no problem and is butter. Apps open up quickly, memory management is an A+. The only place where it slows down is, yes, you guessed it right, Snapchat. Now anyway, Snap is shitty on Android, but on this ROM it's just horrible. Other than that, all the apps run perfectly smooth and animations are also very smooth and consistent. Talking about the battery life, this is a 2-year-old device and you cannot expect much from it, but I'm actually surprised with the battery life on this ROM. Now, back when I was using the Samsung One UI ROM, I used to get like 4 to 4.5 hours of screen on time, that too on Full HD Plus resolution. But this ROM has knocked the One UI ROM out of the park by giving me a screen on time of about 6 to 6.5 hours, that too on Quad HD resolution. I mean, this is impressive, right? Also, the fact that fast charging and wireless fast charging is working, I rarely have to plug in my phone for charging every day. Now, all we talked about in the rest of the video till now was mostly about battery life and performance. Now let's talk about the actual user experience. Now, as this is a custom ROM, you get to see some very nifty features that make your user experience worth. For example, theming. You can choose from a light or dark theme depending on your personal preference, and not only that, you can also choose the accent color that you like from their list to match your liking or match the wallpaper. Also, you get the usual customization options like status bar customization, navigation bar customization, button remapping, and other cool things. So after using the ROM for about a month now, what are my views on the ROM, you might ask? Well, this is the best custom ROM out there that you can get for your device and you won't regret using it. And also, if you're a sucker for stock Android, then you should definitely give this ROM a try. So that's been it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.